Hi, my name is Abarna, and today I'm going to be showing you a few simple steps on how to factor trinomials. So first off, we're going to start with common factoring. When given a polynomial, you always have to ask yourself, can you common factor? Which in this case, it is. So what's the greatest common factor? 4. When you common factor the polynomials, which in this case is 4, you write the common factor outside the bracket and you get your new equation. Next, we're going to work on simple trinomials. So given the equation, like we said before, can you common factor? In this case, yes. So you write the common factor on the outside and write the new equation on the inside. Now, this itself is a simple trinomial. So in a simple trinomial, you have to get two factors that multiply to 6 and the same two factors that add to 5. In this case, as you can see, 3 times 2 equals 6 and 3 plus 2 equals 5. So when you factor this, the new equation is going to be Now we're going to work on complex trinomials. So given the equation 12r squared minus 11r plus 2, like we said before, ask yourself, can you common factor? In this case, you can. Then you ask yourself, is this a simple trinomial? Well, as you can see, the coefficient before the first variable is not 1. So this is a complex trinomial. In a complex trinomial, you have to get the product of the a and the c. So in this case, the product of a and c is going to equal 12 times 2, which is 24. Now you have to find two values that equal the product of a and c, but also add to negative 11. The two values that equal 24 are negative 3 and negative 8, and the same two values are added to equal negative 11. Now you have to rewrite this trinomial, replacing the negative 11r with negative 3 and negative 8. As you can see, I'm placing the negative 3r here and the negative 8r over here, which you'll find out why in the next step. So after you've replaced the negative 11r, you want to group the factors that have similar greatest common factors. In the first one, you can tell, in the first brackets, you can tell that they're both able to have greatest common factor of 3r. So the new equation would be 4r minus 1. And the second one has a greatest common factor of negative 2. So the new equation would be 4r minus 1. As you can see, these two values are exactly the same. That's how you know you're doing the decomposition method right. So now that you know that these two values are the same, you know that you can common factor it out. So use this as one term, and your remainder would be 3r minus 2. Therefore, this is how you can factor a complex trinomial. Thank you for listening to my short tutorial on how to factor different types of polynomials.